चलिए सबसे पहले आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए।
Myself Hariom Misra, I in class 12th and my school name is सरस्वती बाल विद्या मंदिर इंटर कॉलेज गोंडा।
ओके, आज कितने क्वेश्चन आपने तैयार किए
आज
हैं?
हमने 100 क्वेश्चन तैयार किए हैं बायोलॉजी के।
चलिए बताइए, पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज लाइफ स्पैन?
द प्रोसेस फ्रॉम नेचुरल डेथ टू नेचुरल डेथ द प्रोसेस फ्रॉम नेचुरल लाइफ बर्थ टू नेचुरल डेथ ऑफ अ पर्सन इज नोन एज लाइफ स्पैन।
व्हाट इज सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन?
Sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which only one gametes are fused.
व्हाट इज सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन?
Sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which two gametes are fused and complete the process of reproduction.
व्हाट इज टर्म क्लोन?
Term closely defined as the morphological and individuals that are compared to the clone.
व्हाट इज सेल डिवीजन?
Cell division is a process in which parents divides it into two and become an adult.
व्हाट इज बाइनरी फिशन?
Binary fission is a process in which both parents are divided into two and both are become an adult.
व्हाट इज वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन?
Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction which occurs in plants.
व्हाट आर गेमेटोजेनेसिस?
Gemetogenesis is the process in which gametes are formed and gametes are haploids.
व्हाट इज होमोगैमेट्स?
When it is not categorized that the gametes are male or female, then this process is known as isotopics.
व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ स्पर्म मेल गैमेट्स?
Anthrazoid.
व्हाट इज द बेटर मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, सेक्सुअल और एक्सेक्सुअल?
Sexual mode of reproduction is better mode of reproduction because in this mode of reproduction there is a variations and DNAs are formed with new changes.
How many number of pair of chromosomes are present in following human, housefly, dog and cat, butterfly?
In human there are 46 pairs of chromosomes are present. In butterfly there are 380 pairs of chromosomes are present, and in dog 78 pair of chromosomes present. In cat there are 38 pair of chromosomes present, and in housefly there are 12 pair of chromosomes are present.
Okay. Define fertilization.
Fertilization is a process in which male and female gametes are fused.
What is external fertilization?
External fertilization are occur in aquatic lives. In aquatic life, mammals are release their eggs and then it's fused with internal part of the female sperm.
Okay. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है आपके लिए. Name the type of cross that would help to find genophyte of a pea bearing violet flower.
This type of cross is known as test cross.
Okay. A pollen grain in angiosperm at the time of descendance from an anther could be two-celled or three-celled. Explain.
In the process in the angiosperm, pollen grain is two-celled, closed with two-cell stage. This is known as vegetative propagation, and pollen grain are closed with three-cell stage. This is known as genetics division.
Okay. Explain how are the cell placed within the pollen grain when shed at two-celled stage.
When pollen grain shed in three-cell stage, then this propagation is known as genetic propagation.
List 4 benefits of human life by eliminating the use of CFC.
The 4 benefits by eliminating the CFC is human risk, health risk, global warming, and protect the ozone layer.
Can a plant flowering in Mumbai be pollinated by pollen grains of the same species growing in New Delhi?
Yes, it is possible by the artificial transfer of pollen grain. Those plants which are pollen grains are present in Delhi, and it can be pollinated in Mumbai by the artificial transfer of pollen grain to the stigma.
Explain the term menstrual phase.
Menstrual phase, it occurs at last of 3 to 5 days. In this process, ovum is not fertilized and blood vessels are comes with liquid in vagina. This is known as menstruation phase.
A proper understanding of menstrual cycle can help immensely in family planning.
Yes.
Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, I agree with this statement because we know the process of menstruation phase, then it avoids the unwanted pregnancies.
What is parthenocarpy?
Parthenocarpy is the production and development of fruits without seed.
What is polyembryony?
Polyembryony is defined as polyembryony is a process in which fruits are formed without the formation of seeds.
What is apomixis?
Apomixis is a process in which fruits are produced without fertilization.
What is hydrophily?
Hydrophily, it is air pollination. Its pollen grains are very small and it occurs in sugarcane.
Advantage of seed.
Advantage of seed is the first life stage of any plant. Without seed, we cannot grow the new plants, and seed is also known as the first life stage of a plant.
What is fruits and types?
Fruits. Fruits are when the fertilization occur, then embryo form into zygote, zygote form into embryo, and ovule develop into fruits. Fruit are of two types: false fruit and true fruit. Fruits are developed from the ovary of the flower, and false fruit are developed from the ovary with the help of thalamus.
How many layer of microsporangium? Write its name.
There are four layers of microsporangium. Its four names are epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and septum.
What is microsporangenesis?
Microsporangenesis is a process of formation of megaspores from the megaspore mother cell.
What is megasporangenesis?
Megasporangenesis is a formation of microscopes in the formation with the help of micro mother cells.
How are pollen bank useful?
Pollen grain are in the case of wheat and rice, pollen banks are very useful because their pollen grains are stored in liquid nitrogen minus 196 degrees Celsius temperature that are stored for a last 100 years.
What are microphyll?
Micropyle is a very small tiny holes present in the seeds that absorb the water in germination.
How many layer of pollen grain? Write its name.
There are two layers of pollen grain, exine and inine.
Okay. Explain exine and inine.
Exine is the outermost layer of pollen grain which protects the pollen grain, and it is made up of sporopollen.
Okay. What is tapetum?
Tapetum is the outermost layer of megasporangium. It is nutritive layer. It gives the energy.
Give the name of the part of an angiosperm in which the development of male and female gametophyte take place.
The male and female gametophyte takes place in the fallopian tube.
What is apple called false fruit?
Apple is called false fruit because it is developed from the ovary with the help of thalamus.
Name the pouch in which testes are present.
The scrotum is the pouch in which testes are present.
How would a test confirm sexual intercourse analyzing needle swab?
In the case of rape, vagina is analyzed for the test of fructose because it is not present in anywhere of the human body.
Which layer of uterus undergoes cycling change during the menstrual cycle?
Endometrium layer is endometrium is the layer.
What is the role of cervix in human female reproductive system?
Cervix allow the entry of sperms and also parts in the body birth.
State the function of membrane.
Membrane is a finger-like projection that are present in fallopian tubes of the male, and it holds the ovum.
Ovulation in human female normally take place during the menstrual cycle.
Ovulation occurs in the male that take place in the seminal vesicle.
Okay. Ovulation in the human female normally take place during the menstrual cycle.
In the seminal vesicle.
Immediately after ovulation, the mammalian egg is covered by a membrane known as
corona radiata is the layer.
Which part of the sperm plays an important role in penetrating the egg membrane?
Acrosome.
In octine, secondary maturation occurs in
fallopian tube.
Besides activating the egg, another role of sperm is to carry the egg is
another role of egg is to carry the DNA.
Spermiation is the process of the release of sperm from.
Spermiation is the process of the release of sperm from the seminal vesicle.
Which hormone is not secreted by human placenta?
LH.
Okay. Okay. Bhopal accident was caused by which gas?
Bhopal accident was caused by methyl isocyanate gas.
What is the environment?
Environment is the natural that affects our human lives and our surrounding. This is known as environment.
What causes Wilson disease in human?
The lot of amount of copper in the liver cause Wilson disease in human.
Which gas causes greenhouse effect?
The sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide cause the
greenhouse effect.
Cause greenhouse effect.
When was the Chipko movement?
Chipko movement was started in 1972.
Okay. When was the Prevention and Control of Water Pollution Act implemented?
This act was implemented in 1974.
Okay. What is the reproduction?
Reproduction is a process by which new individuals are formed.
Advantage of asexual reproduction?
The advantage of asexual reproduction are lot of number of species are formed in another place.
What is the temperature of human testis?
The temperature of human testis is lower than 2 to 2.5 degree from the internal body temperature.
Okay. What is double fertilization?
In the fallopian tubes, two male gametes are released. The first male gametes fuse with egg cell and complete the process of fertilization. Then the other male gamete fuse these two polar nuclei and form the haploids. These haploids are also fuses and completes the triple fertilization. Both processes are known as double fertilization.
Difference between dicot and monocot?
Dicots and the differentiation between dicot and monocots are cotyledons are present and it is thin, and in dicots cotyledons are not present and it is hard.
What is ozone depletion?
Ozone depletion is a process in which the ozone gets protected and the ozone are present in stratosphere's layers, in which the ozone layer gets damaged from the CFC3's gas.
What is Chipko movement?
Chipko movement are generally started in Garhwal in Himalaya. According to this, the local women hug the trees by protect them from cutting.
What is acid rain?
Acid rains are very harmful and it's occur due to the burning of lot of amounts of fossil fuels, and their oxides are nitrogens and sulfides.
Define biodiversity.
Biodiversity is a process in which different types of different type of species are present, in which bio means living and diversity means variations.
What is Red Data Book?
Red Data Book is a collection of extinct and endangered species, in which a lot of number of amounts of data are stored of those organisms which are in endangered and extinct.
Okay. अब आप ये बताइए कि how noise pollution can be controlled?
Noise pollution can be controlled by using the absorbing materials in the making of buildings. We can create a noise-free area around our schools and homes.
What is organic farming?
Organic farming is a farming in which no fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides are used.
What is hotspot?
Hotspot is a place where the organisms are saved from their extinct at a particular space.
What is the main pollution of carbon monoxide?
The main pollution of carbon monoxide is in the depletions of ozone layers and in the preventions of forest.
How many types of UV rays?
There are 3 types of UV rays: alpha, beta and gamma.
सबसे खतरनाक कौन सी होती है इसमें?
जिनमें से खतरनाक हमारी अल्फा रेज होती है, क्योंकि इसकी वजह से हमारी जो स्किन होती है, स्किन के अंदर जो हमारा सेलुलोज पाया जाता है वो बर्न हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें स्किन कैंसर होने लगता है.
What is the Montreal Protocol?
Montreal Protocol occur for the protection of ozone layer, which are held in Narozova in 1974, in which 196 plus countries are taken place and discuss about the depletions of ozone layer.
Write the full form of IUCN.
The full form of IUCN is International Union of Conservation of Nature.
What is the full form of WWF?
The full form of WWF is World Wide Fund.
Write the full form of BOD.
The full form of BOD is Bio-Oxygen Chemical Demand.
Where is Kaziranga National Park?
Kaziranga National Park is in Assam.
Where is Corbett National Park?
Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand.
When was World Life Protection Act implementation?
It was implemented in 1978.
Where is Dudhwa National Park?
Dudhwa National Park is in UP. सर आज 7/9/2022 को मैंने अपने 100 क्वेश्चंस के टारगेट को कंप्लीट कर लिया है, और फिर हम अगले 2 या 3 दिन में फिर से एक 100 क्वेश्चंस का टारगेट बनाएंगे और उसको कंप्लीट करके एक नई वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे.
अगला चैप्टर कौन सा रहेगा?
अगला चैप्टर हमारा इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड रहेगा.
चलिए, इन्वायरमेंट में भी हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप 100 क्वेश्चंस से एवं भी तैयारी करिए अपनी. ओके,
थैंक यू सर.